Hi friends, welcome back to our channel I Study For You. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you find this video is helpful. Your support really helps the channel to grow. Also, if you think this video can benefit others, please share it with your friends or anyone who might find it useful. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my latest educational videos. Alright, let's get started with today's lesson. To improve efficiency and consistency, we have utilized AI generated voice for this video. We are committed to providing high quality content and welcome your thoughts on this approach.
Write about Sushma Swaraj. Sushma Swaraj. Birth. Sushma Swaraj was born on February 14, 1952, in Ambala, Kant, Haryana, India. She grew up in a middle-class family, with her father, Hardev Sharma, being an active member of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS). Childhood. In her early years, Sushma Swaraj displayed a strong interest in academics and public speaking. She was an outstanding student and excelled in debates, which paved the way for her entry into politics. State-level politics. At the young age of 25, Sushma Swaraj was elected as an MLA in Haryana in 1977. She quickly rose to prominence and was appointed as the state's education minister, becoming one of the youngest ministers in the country at that time. As Chief Minister of Delhi. In 1998, Sushma Swaraj made history as the first woman Chief Minister of Delhi. Although her tenure was brief, it marked a significant achievement in her political career and in the representation of women in Indian politics. Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting. Sushma Swaraj held the position of Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting twice. During her tenure, she implemented key reforms to modernize the broadcasting sector and regulate the rapidly growing cable television industry. She was instrumental in promoting Indian culture through media channels. Union Minister of Telecommunications. In 1999, as the Minister of Telecommunications, Sushma Swaraj oversaw significant expansions in India's telecommunications infrastructure. Her work helped lay the groundwork for the digital communication boom that followed in the country. Union Health Minister. As the Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare from 2003 to 2004, Sushma Swaraj focused on making healthcare more accessible and improving the distribution of essential medicines across India. She played a key role in public health initiatives aimed at improving healthcare outcomes. Leader of Opposition, 15th Lok Sabha. From 2009 to 2014, Sushma Swaraj served as the leader of the opposition in the 15th Lok Sabha. In this role, she was a formidable presence in parliament, known for her articulate speeches and effective questioning of the government. She was widely respected for her leadership and fairness, earning admiration from both her peers and the public. External Affairs Minister. Sushma Swaraj served as India's External Affairs Minister from 2014 to 2019, becoming the second woman to hold this office after Indira Gandhi. During her tenure, she was highly regarded for her proactive and compassionate approach, especially in assisting Indian citizens abroad. She was a pioneer in using social media to directly engage with people, often responding personally to requests for help. Her leadership strengthened India's diplomatic relations globally, and she was known for handling international crises with grace and efficiency. Distinctions and records. Sushma Swaraj's political career is marked by several groundbreaking achievements and records. First woman Chief Minister of Delhi. In 1998, she became the first woman to serve as the Chief Minister of Delhi, setting a precedent for female leadership in the capital. Youngest Cabinet Minister. At 25, she was among the youngest to be appointed as a cabinet minister in Haryana, showing her early promise in leadership. First woman spokesperson for a national political party. She was the first woman to serve as the official spokesperson of a national political party in India, reflecting her communication prowess. Union Minister across multiple portfolios. Sushma Swaraj held multiple key portfolios, including information and broadcasting, telecommunications, health, and external affairs, showcasing her versatility and capability in handling diverse roles. Effective crisis management. As External Affairs Minister, she managed several high-profile crises, including the evacuation of Indians from conflict zones like Yemen and Iraq, earning global recognition for her leadership. Social media diplomacy. She was one of the first Indian politicians to use social media effectively to engage with citizens and solve their problems, setting a new standard for public service and diplomacy. Recognition of service. Throughout her career, Sushma Swaraj received numerous accolades for her contributions to Indian politics and governance, including being named one of the world's most powerful women by Forbes. Sushma Swaraj passed away on August 6, 2019, leaving behind a legacy of dedication, service, and path-breaking achievements in Indian politics. She is remembered as a leader who broke barriers and served the nation with compassion and integrity.